Look at this area right here. See that area directly in front of me? So watch when I turn the night vision on. Look at that. That is drastically different. Looking up at the tree, that tree right there is probably, I don't know, 200 yards away. So we'll zoom in a little bit on that pole. You guys see that pole right there?
These are 4K night vision goggles, just kind of like looking over the box here. There's not much writing on the actual box. You know what? You can see in total darkness. How awesome is that? Wow, very nice premium looking box to these things. And open them up. Whoa, look at that. That looks cool. The Muse Platinum Award, whatever that is. Well, you know what? They got the award for it. And just kind of like a little interface card here. So we'll go over that when we get it. A little user manual. You could see some of the functionalities of this thing. You've got a digital zoom, so it's an 8-time digital zoom, CMOS sensor, some more kind of like features on this thing. This thing also accepts a memory card. What is in here? They give us a little Crown Royal bag. Okay, this is to microfiber cloth for cleaning it and a USB-C for charging it. And then it looks like it has, oh, that's a good premium like neck strap lanyard right there. We will put that on there. And then power, like a stout looking case. Does it come with a SD card? It looks like a 1/4-20 mount right there for, you know, a tripod or something like that. There's where the lanyard would go. Let me go ahead, get everything set up, and then I'll come back and show you guys what these things do. Oh, there's a little corner right here. That's a little hidden corner. There's where the stuff goes. Let's go ahead and set these things up. Okay, so I've got it all set up. I went ahead and installed the little micro SD card. It goes in right there. There's a USB-C right there for charging. Then this right here. These are slightly waterproof. Obviously, they're not 100% waterproof. And then this little thing just kind of goes right back down on there like that. To turn it on, there's an on button right there. There's a tactical mode, which is a flashlight. Then you can make it flash like that. That's a very handy feature. If you just want to draw some attention, you're going to go far and near adjustment right here. The light, so this one right here. Now, right now it's in, let's try to zoom out all the way. You hold down the minus button right here to zoom out. Now, obviously I'm a little close for this, but check this out. You can see I'm on photo mode right there, 32 gigs. Now I'm in night mode. Now I'm in IR mode. So that's infrared mode right there. And then you can go back to just regular mode. Now there's a functionality right here. You hit this M and it brings you to this menu. So this menu, you can go through all the different types of settings right here. Photo size, photo burst, 4K ultra high definition, very cool on that. Loop recording 5 minutes, so you can do like a loop record, video rate, timestamp, whatever. You can actually change all this. This is pretty easy to set up. And then to go back, just hit that M button again right there. Now to record, so if I want to take a picture, right now it's in photo mode. So you see this OK button, watch this. It actually has a sound on it. This records video, sound, and photos, just so you know. I didn't know it recorded sound also. That's really awesome. I guess it has a mic right here that's built in that can record sound. So if you're like recording an animal or something, you'd be able to hear like the calls that it's doing. Now I'm in video mode. So watch when I hit OK. You guys see in the right-hand side over there? See how there's video being filmed right now? This is also filming audio too. That's a very handy feature right there. This right here is a little on and off, quick on and off of the actual outside displays. You see that? So that way it don't draw too much attention. If you don't want to like have any animals see that. This would be great for anyone that's doing any hunting or anything like that. I'll throw up on the screen some footage that I took at night and show you guys how well this records and how it records sound, all the environment and how well it works, because this thing really does light up everything as you need it. I think this would be a great option for anyone that's just having fun. Maybe you're outside and wanting to do kind of like some camping and you just want to check out what's making noises in the woods as like a watching for like raccoons, bears, or deer or something like that at night if you're doing some hunting. So I think that's a great thing for that. Or just having it as a actual recording binoculars. How about that? So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, night vision binoculars. See you on the next video.